In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort revenue from largest to smallest in Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook that contains the revenue data you want to organize. This is the file where your revenue figures are already listed and ready to be sorted. If you're working with a small sample table, that's perfectly fine, and the same process also works for larger data sets. In this example, the sample data is placed in cells A1 through B6. Your table may be in a different location, and that's completely okay. What matters is that your data is arranged clearly with headers at the top of each column. In this case, one of those headers should be revenue, since that's the column we'll be sorting. Next, select the entire table, including the headers. This is an important step because selecting the full range helps Excel understand that all the rows belong together. That way, when the revenue values are sorted, the related information in each row stays matched correctly. If you only select the revenue numbers by themselves, the rest of the data may not move with them, so make sure the full table is highlighted before continuing. Once your data is selected, go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon at the top of the screen. In the Sort and Filter group, click Sort. This opens the Sort dialog box, which gives you more control over exactly how your data will be arranged. Inside the Sort dialog box, look for the column drop-down and choose Revenue. This tells Excel which column you want to use as the basis for the sort. Then under Sort On, select Cell Values. This means Excel will sort based on the actual values in the cells, which is what you want for revenue amounts. After that, go to the Order drop-down and choose largest to smallest. This will place the highest revenue values at the top and the lowest ones at the bottom. When everything is set correctly, click OK to apply the sort. You'll now see the result right in your worksheet. The revenue values are arranged in descending order, meaning from the largest amount down to the smallest. This makes it much easier to identify top performing entries at a glance and compare results more efficiently. And that's it. That's how to sort revenue from largest to smallest in Excel.